3 animal store. If this is Dash, then it'll have a third, then it'll have its real version of it. But as always, well, it is the story. It's time for the story. Why are you here? I'm coming to save you! Ah! Whoosh. No. Oh my god. It can't be. It can't be what? It can't be that you have took a bath for weeks. Feel like you're not the Arctic wolf and a black fox. You're a black fox. I'm a legit black fox. Excuse me, I'm snowy. I'm not. What is black? Well, I do know what's black. It's Oh, I know what's black. Concrete. My name is not Concrete, it's Snowy.
Why is it dark in here? Oh, my new fish! Happy Maniversary! Maniversary? This is the exact date when Ray first hired you to be his sidekick. 2 years ago. That's right. Hey, let's all flash back. Come on, everybody, stroke your chins and look up a little. Schwaz, play your harpette. Okay.
Henry Hart,
Pledge to be an awesome sidekick to Captain Man.
pledge to
Hold up. I don't think I was that short. Okay, do you want to argue about flashback continuity, or do you want to see what we got you?
Let's go.
Let's see what you got me.
But, I don't want any buts. There might be something bloody. And it smells like it.
Yeah, what is this? Why is my car all soft and squishy? 'Cause it's a cake. Shaped like a car. Now I got cake all over my only outfit.
Why did you jump into your cake?
'Cause I thought it was my present. No, this is your present. Oh, wow. Look at that. Do you love it? I mean, it's a
Oh my god.
and pink. Yeah, you've been talking about one of those for a long
Look, Phoebe, let's go.
I told you I wanted
Latrice! Latrice!
Crotch Master 1200.
And I need to do one more scene before we retreat.
This is a Playtech 6.
Ow!
But it's pink. See? Oh,
What the heck?
Bye.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. You just bruised me.
50s diner on Road Street. I'll meet you there. I call taxis.
Come on, Phoebe and Saul, let's go. Ah!
Slow down.
Why is there blood?
By speed walking.
It might be something weird. I know that smell. It's maybe the smell of a dead deer that's been dead for weeks.
This kitty.
Or maybe the smell of somebody that is in our group who got attacked by Saul. He's the strongest one. You better watch out. He's a bull and he has sharp horns. And bulls, he can stab. Oh, wow.
Look at the pretty scooter.
Oh my god. It can't be. What is it? Is it a dead raccoon or a piece of cat? Ew! What's wrong with you? I can't. I don't know. Wow, you're disgusting. Just because you're a cat doesn't mean. Just because you can act like a cat by eating stuff that is not your you used to eat. You used to eat birds, remember? Oh, but now I'm now dead. I'm now moved on. But I thought no. I'm not ready. This is a dash. So I'll see you in the wheel part 3. Bye.